Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for southern Alberta at 1 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Monday, June 14th, 2021. A heat warning is continued for Drumheller, Three Hills, City of Calgary, and Brooks, Strathmore, Vulcan. A severe thunderstorm watch is issued for the following regions: Kananaskis, Canmore. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: Airdrie, Cochrane, Olds, Sundre, and City of Calgary.